vision, take a seat, I'm on a mission. We got everything to gain, to become everything you're not. You just give it all you got and take the pleasure with the pain, yeah.